everyone, and welcome to another video on my channel. And today I'm going to be doing a piano tutorial for the song Dikgoro by Kgaogela Kekana, and we're going to be in the key of A flat. So let's just look at what we're actually going to be playing. There's only one pattern which we're playing here, 4 chords, the entire song. It doesn't change. So let me just break down the basic chords for those of you who are beginners, so you can know what we're looking at. So the chords we're playing is the 4. So you see left hand's playing a 4, right hand's playing a 4, 6, 1. Then left hand goes to a 5, and right hand goes to a 3, 5, 1. Then the next chord we're playing, right hand's going to be playing a 5, while left hand's playing a 4. Right, so left hand's playing a 4, right hand's playing a 5, 7, 2. Then left hand's going to be playing a 3, right hand's going to be playing a 5, 1, 3. Then again, we're going to repeat the 4. Then again, the 1 over 5. And then now this time, what we're going to play is a left hand's going to be on a 6, right hand's going to be on a 4, 5, 1. Left hand's going to be on a 7, right hand's going to be on a 5, 6, 2. Then left hand's going to be on a 1, right hand's going to be on a 5, 1, 3. So those are literally the basic chords for the song. Dikgoro boleha, jeso oyeta, oyeta jeso oyeta, Dikgoro boleha, jeso oyeta, gimurena wamesha. Right? So that's literally those chords, right? So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add some more, okay, I'm gonna fill up the chords more, and I'm going to add more passing chords just to show you how I would generally play it, because just playing those 4 chords along is pretty boring, mundane, like especially if you're going to be playing in a church, you're going to get bored very easily. So let's look at how we can spice this up a bit, right? So we know that we're starting off with a 4, right? So instead of just playing a basic 4 like this, how you can also voice it is like this. You can do this chord over here. So left hand, you can do a right? Either do the 4-1-4 or the 4-1-5, it's up to you. So I'm just trying to think about how I usually voice it. I voice it differently different times, but I would say in general what you want to do is you want to do a 4-1-4 in your left hand, and then in your right hand you want to do a 6-1-2-5. So Dikgoro boleha, jeso oyeta, right? Then now left hand's doing a 5 octave, right hand's doing a 3, 5, 1, 2, 3. Right? Left hand now doing a 4, 6, right hand's doing a 2, 5, 7. Alright. Now the next chord is the 3 chord, so left hand you're doing a 3, 1, 3, right hand you're doing a 5, 1, 2, 5. Then again, Dikgoro boleha. Right? Here's another way you can voice the 4 chord. Right? Left hand's doing a 4, 1, 3, right hand's doing a 4, 6, 1, 3, 4 chord. Then the 1 chord again. 6, 7. Left hand 6 octave, right hand 1, 4, 5, 1. Left hand 7, 2, 7, 7, 5, 7, sorry. Right hand 2, 5, 2. Then resolve it to the 1. So left hand 1, 5, 1. Right hand 3, 5, 1, 3. Right? So now let's look at these more fuller chords again. Dikgoro boleha. Alright, so now you have your chords which you can play now. As you can see, these chords are more fuller now. But let's look at also just adding some passing chords to fill up the gaps, you know, you're not playing anything. So for example, we know that we're going to a 4, right? So one thing which you can do is play this passing chord to get to the 4. So it's this chord over here. So Dikgoro, Dikgoro, Bule, so Dikgoro, Bulecha. Left hand's playing a 1, 7 flats. Right hand's playing a 3, 6, 2. So now you have the 4 chord, right? Now the next passing chord, you're going to be playing a 2, 1, 2 in your left hand, 4, 6 flat 2 in your right hand, right? Then now you're at the 1 over 5. Then the next chord you're going to be playing is this one, right? Right? So right, so now after you play the 5 over 4, you're going to a 3 chord. So one thing which I like doing when I know that I'm going to a 3 chord, even though over here you're not walking cleanly down from a 4 to a 3, you can still do it because here you walk from like a 5 to a 3. So I like to do this over here. So this chord progression over here, but you don't have to do it if you don't want to. But if you do want to, here it is. Left hand's playing a 5, 6, right hand's playing a 1, 4, 6. Left hand's playing a 4, 7, right hand's playing a 2, 5, 7. Then now you're at the 3 chord. You see the 3 chord. 3, 1 left hand, 2, 5, 1 right hand. Then again, passing chord. 4, 1 over 5. So for example, the chorus. Right, so as you can see, for example, you can also play this chord, this passing chord, before you play the other one I showed you to get to the 4. So to get to the 4, obviously you're resolving it at the 1 and you go from the 1 to the 4. So to go from the 1 to the 4, you can play that the 5, 1, 4 chord progression, right? So that's why I'm doing a 5, 1, 4. The 5, left hand's doing a 5, right hand's doing a 4, 7 flats and 2 over the 5. That's why it's called the 5. And this is called the 1 because you're doing a 1 over 3, 6, 2. Then you'd have your 4 chord. So you have back to Dikgoro, Bulecha, right. So I also just decided to play this passing chord before I resolve into 6, 7, 1 at the end. So this is after you go the second time Dikgoro. This is by the where you go the Kimorena wa Mashaba, that part over there, right? So just right. So left hand's playing a 2, 1, right hand's playing a 5 flats, 7 flats, 7, 3, 6, 7, 1. That's another passing progression which you can do. I don't suggest doing it a lot, but you can just do it every now and again just to show off a bit, you know. What you're playing over there is so Da, 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 da. After you play the 5/4 and you're gonna go to the 3, what you can do instead of playing the 3, because after the 3 you're going back to the 4, right? So after the 3 you're gonna do that passing progression to the 4. So this is what we're gonna do, right? Instead of playing the 3, instead of playing the 3, which you're going to play after you play the 5/4, you're gonna do this instead. You're gonna play the 5/4, then you're gonna do this passing progression 5, 6. Then when you hit the 7 flats on your right hand, so 5, 6, 7 flats. When you hit the 7 flats on your right hand, your left hand is going to be playing a 3/1. And after you do that, now you're gonna do this over here. Chromatic walk down. Alright? So how I usually do this, I play with the left hand. I'll play a 7 flat, 6, 6 flat, 5, and then with the right hand I'll play a 2 5, 2 flat, 5 flat, 1 4, 7 3. So passing chord 4. Passing chord 4. So again, Alright, so yeah, I've done quite a lot here. Hopefully you guys did learn something. And yeah, apologies, I've been sitting out here because it's been pretty hot in this area. And to get you more clearer sound, I generally don't have the fan on when I'm doing a tutorial so you guys can hear me clearly. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this. And until next time, guys, stay blessed.